Hey everyone, welcome to InVideo. This is a quick tour of our pre-made templates and how you can use them to create stunning videos in minutes. So before we get started, you'd want to make sure you've already set your logo, colors, and other brand elements under brand presets so that they get pulled in when you start working on your video. You can also add your team members under team settings so that they can collaborate with you and can also create their own videos. Perfect, let's get started. You can use the search bar to browse through our awesome collection of more than 4,000 custom templates. Or take a look at our categories and select a template that best fits your use case. Every one of these templates can be used as is or can be completely customized and changed. Once you've found the right template in the appropriate dimensions, head to the editor so you can make it your own. There you go, your logo automatically came built in, and you can easily create a stunning video by editing the text and replacing images and videos with your own. You can either drag and drop media from our inbuilt library of more than 1 million royalty-free images and video clips, or you can upload your own. On the left is your asset library. This is where you'll find everything you need to add to your scenes, including text styles, stickers, and overlays. On the right is the Edit panel, which will show you edit options based on the element you select on your canvas. This is where you'll go to make any changes to your text and media. For example, when I click on the video in this scene, it will show me options to crop my video, trim my video, and a whole bunch of other options too. Right next to the edit options are layers, which will show you how all the elements in your scene are stacked and will enable you to bring them to the front or move them back. If you want to dig deeper on how you can make the most of layers, you'd want to definitely check out the dedicated video we've made on it. At the bottom is the timeline where you can toggle between your scenes and control their duration. You can also select an element on your canvas, like this text box for example, and control when it comes in and moves out. This is also where you can add a new scene or delete an existing one or reorder your existing scenes. You can also switch to our advanced timeline for finer control, and if you want to know more about how you can make the most of this timeline, we've created another video that you'd not want to miss. Once you've locked in on the visuals and text for your scenes, you'd want to work on audio. You can browse through our library of royalty-free music tracks that you can use for your video, or you can upload your own. You can also incorporate a voiceover for your scenes. Once you've made all the changes, you can preview your scene here, and once you're done finalizing all of your scenes, you can preview all the scenes in your project here. If it's ready and good to go, you can hit export and your video should be ready for you to download in under 5 minutes. You can also easily share this across all of your social channels as well as generate a preview link that can be viewed by your teammates and friends. And if all of this seems a little too daunting, don't worry, because you can reach out to an InVideo expert 24/7 365 using the live chat window here, and we'll be there with you in under a minute. Happy video making!